Everyone, welcome back with new lesson. So today we are going to talk about an important topic, that how to start speaking in English and how to do that. So we are going to look at that, and I'm going to help you today. That will help you to improve your English language. So everyone, first you should ask one question to yourself, that what do you do to improve your English? We just say, I want to improve, but exactly what do you do to get one step better in English? So I'm going to tell you a few steps that you need to follow every day for 30 minutes, and you will get that better and better in English. And the step that I'm gonna talk about will certainly help you. So just let's get started. Step number 1 is listening. So start listening. Listening carefully is essential for learning English fluency. So when a child is born, so first he listens for at least 1 year, 2 year, and then first child hears the first word, and before speaking it correctly, and when he listens, his mind start getting developed. So that is why you have to start listening. So now what you can listen? You can listen everything, whatever you want. You can watch as per your interest. And you need to develop a habit of watching at least one English video or song each day. Watch a web series on Netflix, Amazon, on YouTube, and watch a movie. Listens to songs, download audio stories, and all these things are available online with English subtitles or without subtitles. Whatever it suits to you, that you have to do, and you can easily do this. So by doing this, you will improve your listening skills, and you have to listen everything carefully. And whenever you don't understand anything or any word, so make sure you pause at that time and you search for the meaning and rewind and replay again that. So this time you will focus on the pronunciation, observe that how they use it in a sentence. By this you will improve your listening skills. Okay. Step is speaking. So even if you speak incorrectly, but just start speaking, and even if you are saying it wrong, but speak, set reminders around you, and that will help you to remember. So if you try doing this slowly, so these things will get developed. And you can also talk in Hello app. I'll provide that video link in description box, and you can check that video and you can do practice over there. And just talk to yourself, self talk. So when you are emotional, anger and happy, in which language do you think? Definitely in your mother tongue. So when you start thinking in English, and you need to train your mind to think in English to be fluent, so talk to someone, give yourself time to think before you start speaking. Keep the speed of your phone slow, and most important, be calm and don't be afraid. We all learn by doing mistakes. So just start speaking. Next step we have reading. So now you listen, you speak, but what will you speak unless you have better thought process? So without knowledge, no one knows how to speak. So now you have to read a lot. You can read anything, like you can read articles, children's story books, whatever suits to you, and you can just read, and you have to read that aloud. You can use your hand gestures, and that will really help you in improving your hesitation. You won't feel hesitated, and when you will read aloud, so your ear will listen, and that's how your ear will be trained and your mind will get right words, and that's how you will learn in fast way. And you just have to make it a game. You just have to read a lot. So now last step we have writing. You have to practice for writing. You can start with easy topics, and otherwise you can write whatever you have listened. So you just have to write that, By doing this, your thought process will be improved, and it will help you in many ways in email writing, in punctuation, capitalization mistakes, and whatever the mistakes you will make, you will see your own mistakes in spellings as well. So writing will help you a lot in your thought processing. So just start writing, as everybody is using smartphones, and smartphones are really making us smarter. So we can use our smartphone wisely to improve our English. So just change the language in your phone and in your computer, whatever you use. So on daily basis, each step you have to do for 30 minutes, and you need consistent, be patient, because it is not just a game of one day. It needs a lot of efforts to do, and after 2 or 3 months you will see a change in yourself. You will get confidence and your personality will be changed. And one more important thing, when you start anything for 2 or 3 days, so after that you get full of excitement, but on the 4th day your head starts getting ache, and so you don't want to do that again. So you don't have to show mercy on yourself, you have to just be consistent, because that thing will really help you. And after 2 or 3 months you will see a change in yourself, you will get confidence, and this is how you will improve. And these exercise will make sure that you enjoy this process, that 4 core skills of listening, speaking, reading and writing comes strong every day. So well, with this, time to say bye bye. So I'll meet you very soon. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.